What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. Do you want to know more about Chinese proverbs? If you do, this section is made especially for you. Every time I will introduce a proverb and tell the story behind it in Chinese with English subtitles. I know you can't wait. That just gets started. 今天的成语 Today's proverb. 今天的成语是对牛弹琴。对牛弹琴，对牛弹琴。对的意思是 towards， 牛的意思是 cow， 弹的意思是 to play an instrument， 琴是古琴 an ancient Chinese instrument with 7 strings。 成语故事The story behind the proverb. 很久很久以前，有一个音乐家，他非常会弹琴。有一天，他去外面玩，看见一只牛在吃草。当时附近都没有人，他就开始弹琴给牛听。弹完以后，他看了看牛，但是牛完全没有反应，一样继续吃着草。他发现牛根本听不懂他在弹什么，所以后来他就用琴弹出类似文字和小牛哞的声音。那只牛就立刻停止吃草，开始很认真地听他弹琴。成语解释 The meaning of the proverb. 这个成语字面上的意思是弹琴给牛听。它主要有2个比喻，一个是跟不讲道理的人讲道理，一个是跟不专业的人讲很专业的事。成语例句 Example sentences of the proverb. 跟他讲道理，就好像对牛弹琴，完全在浪费时间。我数学很差，他跟我聊微积分，根本是对牛弹琴。你跟小学生聊政治，跟对牛弹琴有什么不一样？ Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!